Hi everyone, I'm going to do a quick unboxing, actually my first unboxing, and no, it's not the DJI Spark. I ordered the portable charging station, and they had a Christmas sale. I think it was $139 with 2 batteries, and then of course had to get a Mavic battery. Never can have enough of these. I think this was $90. The portable charging station with the 2 batteries on sale was the equivalent of paying for the charging station, 1 battery, and getting 1 free. So, I'm pretty excited. So, do love their boxes. Very Apple-esque. Glad more people are going that route. So, let's take a look. Can you tell I'm excited? I'm going on a trip to Ecuador, and was going to power via solar and charge these batteries, but I want to see how much this weighs, how much space it'll take in my pack. So, man, everyone on YouTube makes these unboxings look so easy. I can't even get the box open. Okay, and nice. Top's got something in it, and there's the charging base. So Spark on the front. Oh, about the size I expected based on the size of the Spark. It's got a release button on the side for the top. Some of the protective film. Terrible lighting in here, sorry, traveling right now. I got basically USB ports, the power in, and then a upgrade port. Not really sure what that is. Okay. And then we got portable charging station manual. DJI care refresh keep flying. I wish they gave you stickers. They don't give you stickers with DJI. I don't have a nice DJI sticker yet. Okay. Packaging wise, very easy. I'm going to guess this is the AC cord. Power cord on one side, and the power brick on the other. Decent sized one. So let's just see how the DJI fits in here. Remove some of this film. Very sleek looking. So, 4 connectors on the bottom. Goes right in. Very nice fit. Very nice. And then let's see how we get the batteries in here. And there's little notches for the batteries in here. And it looks like they go in and slide. So, you see the connectors obviously here, and it's got a rail system, click and slide. The DJI goes in, propellers get turned, and then this, oh no. Oh, the propellers get turned in afterwards, there you go. Feels sturdy, feels good. Looks like I got a power button, a battery button, or it's 2 indicators, 1 for each battery and then 1 for the drone. So I think I'm going to plug it in and see how it charges. And the charging brick. Nice thing is it's got 2 USB ports. So not only does it plug into the station here, but it also plugs, you can plug in the controller and your phone or something else out there. A unique adapter, and it's got a little notch on the power supply and a female notch on the base itself to plug in. So let's plug that in and plug it into my outlet. And it looks like it's going to charging. It's doing a little cycling of the batteries. I don't know if you can see that or not. quiet. I don't hear any noise yet. I like the way it fits. Ah, there it goes. The DJI Spark wasn't snapped all the way in. Now it's snapped in. Weightness wise, it wouldn't be bad. I'm doing a 4-day hike in Ecuador, and I think I can afford the weight of it for what it gives me. I don't know. I'm gonna have to make that judgment call. I will do a full review on it once I charge batteries and field test it. Thank you.